Okay, we know that teachers are hardworking people. They work both during the day and late into the night, and they hardly have enough time for other important activities. So we're fortunate to have generative AI tools that we're now starting to use, and those tools help us to automate many of those activities that we performed manually in the past. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a marking rubric that you can use to mark your students' assignments. So the next thing we need to do is open the AI app. Now in this example here, I'm going to use ChatGPT, but you can try the other AI tools such as Google Gemini, Claude, and DeepSeek. Okay, so after opening the AI tool, you need to type the prompt, which I've already done, and then you need to give a persona or a role. So you ask the AI to act as somebody, so the AI will play that role like a teacher. So if you're teaching in primary school, you can instruct the AI to act as a primary school teacher. So the AI will use that persona to generate the right type of output. And then there are other parts of the prompt that you need to include by stating additional information about your role and the assignment that you're giving to the students. And then further instruction includes including the categories. So in this example, the categories will come from the reference document that I'm going to upload, that the AI will refer to create the rubric. And then you ask the AI to also include criteria, okay, for each category, So there are all sorts of ratings that you can use. In this example, I use excellent, good, bad, good. You can modify this one and put your own, okay. And a little instruction here for the AI to refer to the attached document. Okay. So I'm going to read the prompt. You're a university lecturer. You're teaching a course on research. You gave your students a research proposal assignment to complete. You need to create a marking here. So that's the reference document. Now you can see that I'm also mentioning social science research methods, because there are other types of research methods. For example, scientists, they have their own methods that are more specific to the research that they are carrying out, medicine and others. Okay, so I'm going to upload the reference document. So I'm going to click on this upload button here that looks like a plus symbol. Then I'm going to click on upload from computer. Okay, my reference document is stored on the desktop, so go there and look for it. Okay, this is the one. So I'm going to select it by clicking on it and then click open. And then wait for the file to be uploaded. Okay, it's ready now, so I'm going to click on the submit button. Okay, the Gen AI is working on the rubric now, as you can see it. It extracts the categories from the research proposal template that I uploaded. So all these ones, they come from they came from the research proposal template. Okay. And then you have the specific criteria for each categories or each category. Okay. Now, if I want to go further and ask the AI to generate this table or rubric in Wood, then I'll type another prompt again. Create that rubric using Microsoft Word. Okay. Okay, it stops, I'm going to prompt for it to continue. So I'm going to type continue. Okay, sometimes it does not follow your prompt, so but try it and see. If you're lucky, you should be able to generate this using Word, which I've already done in the previous example. But if it does not want to continue, then you can copy the whole rubric by using your mouse. And then right click copy, open your Word document and paste it into your Word document. There you are. So if the AI refuses to generate the rubric using Microsoft Word, don't worry, simply copy it and paste it into a Word document. Okay, and from there you can check through and then edit it or change the layout. And once you're satisfied, then you can use it to mark your students' assignment. Okay, below here it gives the rating scale or grading scale. Okay. So all these categories here, they all came from the research proposal template that I uploaded to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT used that one to generate the categories. And then I asked it for specific criteria. So you can see here, all nicely done in record time. So these are some of the things that you can do to automate many of those repeated tasks that you take hours and hours to complete. So using generative AI, you can free up a lot of your time so that you can have time for yourself to, do other activities or have more time for your family. Okay, with that, I hope you enjoy this video and you find it useful. So if you think that this video gave you a new tip or skill that you're going to utilize it in your work as a teacher, then please subscribe and like the video, because it will help the channel to grow, and it will also help me to continue with this work. Thank you for your time.